This video is for the newer G2500 NFC Upgrade Kit with the Kiosk 5 tap module from VivoPay. If you've never installed an NFC kit, please check out the install video using the older Kiosk 4 module, as that will explain the whole process along with the tools needed for the job. The Kiosk 5 tap module is thinner than the previous version, and now uses screws to attach it to the bezel. There is also a USB-C cable to connect it to the main board. The newer kit uses different bezels and mounting hardware, in addition to the new module and cables. However, otherwise the overall process is the same. This kit uses 3 types of screws. The coarse thread screws are for screwing into plastic. The longer machine screws are for attaching the bezel and module assembly to the ATM. And the smaller screws are for attaching everything to the mounting bracket. Note that it's normal to have leftover screws from this kit. To assemble the kit, first attach the tap module to the black metal bracket with 4 screws. Then attach the USB-C cable to the back of the module and screw it down. Insert the silver metal bracket into the plastic bezel. There are 4 screws. Now you can install the bezel assembly onto the tap module bracket. There are 3 screws attaching these 2 parts. Leave the screws slightly loose, then flip the bezel over and make sure the module is aligned to the bezel. Tighten down the screws when you're happy with it. Attach the small LED board for the red alarm light. The module assembly is now ready to be installed. With this new version of the kit, the drilling template has also changed. On the left side, align it using the Alarm Active sticker. You have 2 3/16 holes to drill here at positions A. Then a larger 25/32 hole for the cable. This is slightly larger than 3/4 of an inch and just needs to be big enough for the other end of the USB-C cable. Move the template over to the right. Align the top and side with the edge of the keypad. On this side, you're drilling 2 3/16 holes at position C. The rest of the install process is the same as the previous kit. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact Genmega Support.